Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to join the Notcoin Airdrop on Telegram. Notcoin is a fast-growing Telegram game where you get Notcoin by clicking on a coin. You can join squads, which are Telegram channels and chats, invite friends, complete tasks, and climb the leaderboard. And there are several things you need to know to be successful in this Notcoin Airdrop, and I'll be sharing them here in this video. The more Notcoin you earn, the higher you will be ranked in the leagues. You can get boosts and complete tasks to earn more Notcoins. You can invite your friends and both of you will receive bonuses. You can help your friend to move to a higher league and you will receive bigger Notcoin bonuses. Also, Telegram channels and groups are squads. So if you join a squad, you play with your squad members together. Any new users invited to the squad are counted as your referrals. So no one knows if or when Notcoin will be minted, or if it will be worth anything or not, and that's the fun of it. As you see in a Telegram bot or on your social media, it's probably worth nothing, but if you're still interested in playing the game, I'll show you how to do that. The first thing to do is to sign up using the link in the description. So once you open the link in the description, it will take you to your Telegram and it will open the Notcoin bot. The next thing to do is to tap on start, and that's it. You have joined the Notcoin Airdrop, so you will be part of my squad. So to start the Notcoin game, tap on play, tap on start, and this is the Notcoin game. So here you would see your balance. To start mining, tap on this big coin here. So let me tap on it. The more you tap, the more you earn. This is not like other airdrops where you click once to mine and it claims for you till the next 24 hours, 12 hours or so, depending on the mining session. In this case, you must tap actively to earn. If you're not tapping, you're not earning, unless you get the auto tap bot, which I will get to in a minute. To earn more points, tap on earn and you will see several tasks to complete to earn some points. Make sure you check in every day as there are new tasks updated regularly. I've completed several tasks and that's why they are grayed out and you see a check mark on them. Any tasks you haven't completed will be available for you to tap on. To complete a task, tap on it and you see all the steps you need to follow. So let me tap on this. So if I complete this task, I'll earn 250,000 points. And any task you've completed, you see a check mark on it, signifying that you have completed it and you can move to the next one. So without completing the prerequisite tasks, the other tasks will be locked. So in this case, I can't complete these other tasks because I haven't completed the prerequisite tasks. So you can tap on it, follow the instructions to complete the tasks, and once you get to the end, you will get the reward. So in this case, if I complete everything here, I will earn 250,000 points. Remember to check in daily for new tasks as these tasks are updated regularly. So you will need to get as much points as you can so as to boost and get level ups. Remember, the main point of this game is not just to acquire points here, but to level up. There are several levels on Notcoin, which I'll show you in a minute. So here you will see your level. I'm on platinum, so tap on it and you will see there are several levels here. So once you start, you will be on the bronze league. So you will need to earn more points to level up to the silver league, and you get to the gold league. From the gold league, you get to the platinum league and you get to the diamond league. So your aim should be to level up to the diamond league as much as possible. So you keep earning points daily, completing your boosts and not just holding the points to get as many points as you can. You should be more interested in leveling up until you get to the diamond league. There are two types of balances that you will see on your profile. For example, you can see I have 1.4 million points, but if I go to my platinum league, you can see I have 6 million points. So let's go back, let's exit and go back to my board. So if you tap on menu and tap on profile to see your stats, you will see that I'm in the platinum league. My total score is 6.2 million while my balance is 1.4 million. Now your total score is what determines your level. So you shouldn't be focused on acquiring a huge balance when your total score is so poor. I'll be showing you how to level up by using your boost. Any points you earn by completing these tasks will not add up to your total score for your level ups. The only point that will add up to your total score are the points that you get by clicking on this coin here or by your auto tap mining bot once you've gotten the auto tap bot, which we'll talk about very soon. Before I talk about your boost, let me talk about your energy. Your energy determines how much Notcoin points you can claim in one go. So in this case, my energy is 7,000 and I have about 6,600 points left. That means I have claimed some points out of the 7,000. So once my energy goes down to 0, I won't be able to claim any points by tapping on this button. So as you can see, for each tap, I claim 13 points. Yours might be different depending on your level and your boost. So I'll tap this until my energy runs out. So once my energy runs out, I'll have to wait for my energy to refill before I'll be able to claim any more points. I'm using 2 fingers to tap so I can earn more points per second. Now I've gotten a boost. As you can see, a boost gives you more points per second. So instead of having 13, I'm getting 91, and the boost doesn't last. It lasts only for a few seconds and you come back to your normal earning rates. Sometimes you get boost automatically, while sometimes you will need the rocket to get your boost, and I'll explain that very soon. So now my energy is finished. As you can see, I only have 12. I'll have to wait for a while for my energy to refill for me to start claiming. So if I tap on it, my energy is quickly dissipated. So it might take a couple of minutes for it to refill to 7,000, and that is where your boost come in. So with your boost, you can refill your energy. So here, this full energy refills your energy. So if I tap on it and tap on get, it fills up my energy immediately. So I now have 7,000. So my energy is now filled. I can start tapping to earn more Notcoin points. So the next boost is the turbo boost. This turbo boost gives you a rocket. The rocket gives you more points and it doesn't dissipate your energy. So if I tap on get, I'll get a rocket, and all I have to do is to look for the rocket, wait for the rocket to appear, and I tap on it. So tapping on this rocket means I can claim more Notcoin points. So in this case, I'm claiming 65 per tap until it runs out of steam. My energy remained intact. So that's what the rocket does. It enables you to mine more Notcoin points per second. Okay, I can see a rocket again. I tap on it and I'm earning more Notcoins. Watch and see that my energy isn't dissipating. So rockets give you more Notcoin points without sapping your energy. Like I said, your focus should be on boosting and leveling up. Once you start this game, you'll be earning at a much slower rate than this. So how to increase your points is by using boost. So tap on boost and you can see several boosters. You need to buy several boosters. As for the skins, these are just for aesthetic purposes. They don't do anything to level you up. It's just to change the look and feel. For example, if I change to a dragon skin and tap on apply skin, you can see it changes the appearance. It doesn't do anything to boost my level or to help me to mine more Notcoin. So you can choose it if you want, but I'm not interested in them. I go back to my default. So this multi-tap is what gives you more Notcoin per tap. The next multi-tap, I'll be able to buy it with about 4 million points. So once I get to 4 million points, I'll buy it and it will increase my tap by 1. So instead of earning 13 points per tap, I'll be earning 14 points per tap. The next booster is the energy limit. This energy limit increases your energy limit by 500. As you can see, my energy limit is 7,000, but I didn't start with that. So if I buy the next boost, my energy limit will increase from 7,000 to 7,500, which means I can earn more Notcoin points. The next boost is your recharging speed. This controls how fast your energy recharges once it's dissipated. The higher your speed, the faster you fill up your energy once it goes down. So the next boost here is the most important boost if you ask me, and this is the auto tap bot. Remember I said earlier, the only Notcoin points that help you to level up are the points you earn by tapping. Most of us have things we're doing. You have a job, you may have other things you're attending to, and it's not sensible to be tapping on a coin several hours in a day just because you want to earn points. And that is why you need this auto tap bot. So this auto tap bot automatically taps for you. Remember the point that you level up with, you can see it here. So you can see your total points here, which is 6 million. Whatever you earn from the auto tap bot will be added to this to increase your level. But the points you earn by completing tasks via the end tap will only increase your score here. They will not add up to increase your level. So get the auto tap bot. Once you have enough points, buy the auto tap bot. It automatically taps for you and it lasts for 12 hours. The auto tap bot is activated 1 hour after you're inactive. So once you leave the bot, an hour later the auto tap bot activates and start tapping to earn Notcoin points for you. After 12 hours, the auto tap bot stops and you have to come back to the mining app to resume your mining, and after 1 hour the auto tap bot resumes. I have a strategy that will help you save time on the Notcoin app and earn the most reward. The strategy only requires me to visit this app twice a day to claim my points and use my energy and turbo boost, while the auto tap bot does the rest. So once you sign up on Notcoin, your first few hours will be to accumulate points via the end tap, so you complete as many tasks as possible and you'll be able to earn up to 5 million points. With those points, you should be able to rack up your boosters, you should be able to get your auto tap bot, increase your energy limit, recharging speed, and your multi taps. There are 12 energy boosters and 6 double boosts. Once you have finished tapping from the 12 energy boosters, exit the app. If I exit this app now, my auto tap bot will kick in by 4:40 p.m. and it will last for 12 hours. 12 hours later, which is 4:40 a.m. tomorrow, I can check in again, exhaust my energy and turbo boost, and leave the app for my auto tap bot to continue. So that's it. I'll only visit this app twice and the auto tap bot does the rest. So your first few hours should be to accumulate as much points as possible by completing the tasks, and use those points to acquire all these boosters as much as you can, so that they help you to earn more Notcoin with as little effort as possible. Remember to check in every day to claim your free bonuses, otherwise they'll burn up the next day. So these bonuses do not stack up, they are wiped up every day. So the next way to earn more Notcoin is by inviting your friends. So you invite your friends and both of you get bonuses. So invite your friends, tap on friends. So here there are several ways to invite your friends. There's this option to send them a gift, so you can tap on send a gift. You see here the option is to send envelope. If you tap on envelope, you'll be directed to your contact list and you can forward to any of your friends on Telegram. Once they accept the gift, they can start playing the Notcoin game and they become your referrals. Another way to refer your friends is by directly sending them your invite link. So if you close this by tapping on the X, you see these other options. Tap on invite a friend and here you would see your referral link. You can decide to tap on invite a friend and it will bring up your contact list for you to forward it to those on Telegram, or you can tap and hold on your referral link to copy it. So once you copy it, send it to your friends. When they start the bot and start playing the game, they become your referrals and both of you earn bonuses. So I've talked about leagues. When your friends move up in the leagues, you will also get bonuses for their leveling ups. So your goal should be to get to the Diamond League as fast as possible before the Notcoin is minted. So these leagues and leaderboards show the most active Notcoin miners. Each league has a points threshold after which the miners move up. Like I explained, once you get to the threshold, you move up to the next threshold. For example, if I get up to 10 million points, I'll move to the Diamond League. So we have the bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond league. The more taps you get, the higher your position. Now let's talk about squads. Squads are a group or team of players and communities in the game. Any public Telegram channel or chat on Telegram can be a squad. Squad competes against each other. They also have an internal leaderboard. For every Notcoin mined, you will receive 1 point to the squad you are a member of. Points are not transferable from squad to squad. You can invite the whole community to the squad and all new players will become your referrals. Bonuses work the same way as when you invite a friend. You can switch from one squad to another. You will see your squad at the top of your Notcoin app here. In this case, I'm on the Mem Notcoin squad. So if I tap on it, I can see how many points we have. You can switch squads at any time you like. You can also find squads by tapping on your league here, in this case Platinum, and you will see the option to switch to squads here. So tap on squads and you can see several squads. These squads are just Telegram chats, channels, or groups. So you can tap on anyone to join. As you can see, tap on it to join the squad, tap on join squad, and you automatically become a member of that squad. So that's it about the Notcoin game. Remember to check in regularly to claim your Notcoin points. Make sure you use up all your boosts daily because they'll be cleared at the end of the day. So right now I have 9 energy boost and 4 turbo boost, which I will exhaust at the end of this video. Earn more points by completing simple tasks on the end tab here. Remember to check in regularly because these tasks are updated from time to time. Invite your friends to join the game so both of you can earn more bonuses. Your points are not for fancy, your points are to stack up your boosters and level up. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Notcoin updates, crypto airdrops, tips, tutorials, alphas, and earning opportunities. So keep claiming your Notcoin points. We hope Notcoin will be minted in the nearest future. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.